everybody, it's iPad Expert Dave, and I'm here with another iPad tip for agents. As a real estate agent, the two most important apps on your mobile devices is the Mail app and Calendar app. And thanks to Apple, you can integrate both apps to help you stay on task. The Mail app on the iPad and iPhone is clever enough to detect dates that you might want to add to your calendar and gives you the option to do so without leaving the Mail app. This is a huge time saver for agents who are always on the go. So in this iPad tip, you'll learn how to add an event from a mail message right to your calendar. So you ready to get to work? All right, let's go. If the Mail app finds a date and time in the email message, it underlines it to give you a chance to save it. When you tap and hold on that date, you will be given the option to create a calendar event for that date and time. If you prefer, you can also show that day in your calendar to see if it's available. Or you can add a task to the Reminders app that you can check on later. Notice in the top of the email message, your personal assistant Siri found an event in the message and gives you the option to add that event to your calendar. Simply tap on Add to quickly add the event to your calendar. Keep in mind, you can do this on both your iPad and iPhone if you have one. Well, hopefully you learned something from that tip. And if you did, that's just a taste of what I'm going to be sharing in the upcoming hands-on workshop, How to Best Use the iOS Mail app for Your Business, taking place February 13th from 9 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. Now that's a half-day class. And again, it's taking place on February 13th, 9 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. And it's taking place right at Shore West Corporate. The regular price for this workshop is $79, but your special price is $65. You can learn more about this workshop and sign up for it by visiting iosmailapp.eventbrite.com or look for the registration link in the email or social post you found this video in. Thanks for your time, and I'll see you at the workshop.